Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SSC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into the day and then where the price ultimately closed up there, any rational person to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very, very nice move on the day. However, that does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And to best illustrate this, I need to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. There we go. We'll go right here. So this level that stands out to me is right here at $2.85. Why is $2.85 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 285. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price pulls back. You're not saying this will happen, but just for example's sake, goes on a pretty drastic pullback, stabilizes, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, even after a drastic pullback, you'd still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying, quote unquote, make progress forward as 285. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, pretty straightforward up there. You can see several occasions the price try to break right up above that $3.60 location of the chart up here, but just couldn't quite do it. So that's where the sellers are currently at. Overall, though, any way you slice it, very nice move today. Now it's just a matter of building higher bases and working itself upwards. But any way you slice it, great move. Now it's a question of building momentum. So we'll see if the bulls can accomplish that or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.